Welcome to The Explainer. If you're a content creator looking to scale up your production and, actually reclaim some of your free time, you are going to want to pay super close attention to this one. Today, we're diving into a real game changer, the Google Flow avatar. We're going to see how this new tech generates your exact digital AI likeness.
Let's start with a really honest question. Are you totally exhausted by the daily recording grind? We all know that feeling, right? Setting up the lights, checking the audio for the fifth time, doing take after take, it just drains your creative energy. Whether you're running a massive channel like SS Digital India, or you're a solo creator just trying to get off the ground, turning out fresh on-camera content every single day is a heavy lift. It's basically a fast track to burnout. But what if you didn't actually have to sit in front of that camera anymore? Okay, let's dive into this roadmap. First, we'll cover the digital twin revolution. Then we'll walk through creating your AI avatar. After that, we'll get into mastering the @me prompt, boosting your YouTube channel, and finally, we'll wrap up with privacy, safety, and deletion.
Section 1, the digital twin revolution. Meet your new AI standing. So what exactly is this thing? Well, a Google Flow avatar is an AI feature that creates a high-fidelity digital version of both your face and your voice. And the reason this is so revolutionary is that once you've got it set up, you can generate incredibly realistic character images and full clips without ever hitting the record button again. I mean, you completely bypass the need for those exhausting continuous photo or camera shoots. It's literally you completely on demand. Moving to Section 2, creating your AI avatar. This is the desktop setup phase. Now, you might be thinking creating a digital twin requires some sort of crazy tech degree, but I want to show you exactly how simple it is to get this running today. First, you're just going to open up Google Flow on your computer. From there, look up at the top corner, click on your profile picture, and select Create Avatar from that drop-down menu. And step 3, simply hit that Get Started button. It really is that straightforward to kick off the whole process right from your desk. And that takes us straight into the mobile data capture phase. So after you click Get Started on your computer, a QR code is going to pop right up on your screen. Just grab your phone and scan it. Then the system will ask you to do a quick face recording from a few different angles, and right after that, you'll read a couple of lines to give it some voice samples. Basically, this data capture is exactly how Google's AI learns all your unique physical nuances and vocal tones, which is absolutely crucial for building that perfect, customized digital likeness of you. Section 3, mastering the @me prompt. Let's put your avatar to work. All right, your avatar is built, so now it's time for the really fun part, the magic syntax that brings your digital twin to life. The whole system runs on a super simple text command. Whenever you want to generate content featuring yourself, all you do is type @me right into your prompt. So for example, if you prompt @me in a futuristic city background, the AI instantly generates your character looking right at home in this amazing sci-fi environment. You don't need a green screen, no location scouting, and definitely no expensive visual effects team. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the professional branding potential it unlocks for everyday creators. Just by typing @me in a professional studio setup, you instantly get these high-end, crisp visuals. Your AI character looks like they're broadcasting from a top-tier media center. You're achieving that premium, million-subscriber aesthetic without ever dropping a dime on expensive studio gear, fancy cameras, or complicated lighting setups. It's wild. Or hey, maybe you want an entirely different, kind of gritty vibe for a specific piece of content. You just type @me in a warehouse background, and boom, you're instantly relocated. This really shows off the sheer flexibility of the tool. I mean, with just a few keystrokes, you can instantly generate your digital copy literally anywhere your imagination takes you. Section 4, boosting your YouTube channel. Real-world creator applications. So the visuals are incredibly cool, but how does this actually fit into a creator's daily workflow to, drive views and save time? Well, the possibilities are practically endless. If you run a tech channel, you can have your avatar natively introduce new gadgets or read off the boring specs while you focus on the cool B-roll. E-commerce channels, they can use their likeness to dynamically showcase product use cases. And AI channels? Well, using an AI avatar is pretty much perfectly on brand. But actually beyond just the content itself, one of the absolute best use cases is custom thumbnail creation. You can prompt the AI to generate highly engaging custom thumbnails featuring your exact likeness, trying out different expressions and backgrounds. We all know how much of a grind thumbnails can be, right? This dramatically saves you time while keeping your personal branding super consistent. Section 5, privacy, safety, and deletion. Keeping your digital identity secure.
Now, when we're dealing with technology this powerful, something that literally mimics your actual face and voice, it is absolutely essential to know how your digital identity is being kept secure. You need to know that you're in complete control. So there are some really critical guardrails here. First off, due to regional regulations, this feature isn't currently available in the European Economic Area, the UK, or Switzerland. But for those who can use it, the most important thing is that your avatar data is highly protected. It is never shared via public project links. Google actually enforces strict safety checks on what can be generated just to prevent any misuse. And the biggest security feature of all? Absolutely no one else can use your likeness. Only your specific authenticated account can use your @me prompt. Your face belongs to you. Period. And this brilliantly illustrates how transparent Google is trying to be with your data here. If you ever wake up one day and decide, hey, I want to remove my digital twin, it takes like 10 seconds. You simply click your profile picture, select Manage Avatar, click Delete Avatar, and just confirm your choice. That's the whole shebang. Just like that, all your stored recordings, your voice samples, and generated data are wiped clean from the system immediately. You can opt out whenever you want. Looking at the big picture, for a channel like SS Digital India, the traditional, exhausting way of daily camera recording requires constant physical setup. It's just incredibly time-consuming. But contrast that with the future, utilizing the AI avatar workflow. This massive time-saving tool completely transforms the process. It's saving countless hours of recording time, but crucially, it still ensures you keep that consistent, highly recognizable on-screen identity that your audience already knows and trusts. That pretty much brings us to the end of our analysis, but I want to leave you with one final, absolutely crucial thought to chew on. How will you use your new digital twin to scale your content today? Whether your goal is to double your output, create the perfect click-worthy thumbnails, or honestly just finally take a day off without your channel taking a hit, the power to do that is literally right at your fingertips. Get out there and start experimenting with your own avatar. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep creating.